It's Vlogmas! I'm being quite hushed because B is asleep in the car. Can you believe that last year I was pregnant and now we have a baby in the car? That is generally how it happens, I know, but whatever. So we already on the 1st of December are going to get our tree, which is exactly what we did last year. So we're basically going to do exactly the same this year. And let me see. It's already quite late. Well, it's dark. It's not actually that late, but it's dark already. So it'll be really magical and you can help us decide. Okay, see you in a bit. So I was a little premature because we're basically waiting for Bee to wake up and she's having the longest nap in ages. She's going for nearly an hour. Bless her. So we're just going to sit and wait. Stephen, do you have biscuits? Okay, our weight just got a lot better.
Hang on.
She's awake! Should we go pick our first Christmas tree together? Yes! Come on then! We like this one already, the #1 tree that we've seen. Are we going to say we like them all? Okay, we got our tree! Yay! Okay, the baby is in bed. She's not ready to sleep, but she's getting there. She drank a whole bottle and she looked very, very tired. And I think she was asleep, but then, you know, you gotta burp them and put them in bed, and by the time they're in bed, they're like, I'm awake again. So now we do our evening tradition of tidying up after everything. So yeah, we'll do that and then we'll settle down and watch some telly and fall asleep and do Hobbs's advent calendar. Hobbsy. And also, any fans of Vlogmas would know that Stephen and I do an advent calendar, which we haven't even, I mean, we need to unwrap, sweetie. Look at it, poor little thing. Wait. There it is. That we do, oh, please excuse like the laundry and all that stuff, that we do a day, each of us does a day, alternate days. Oh, I wish I could speak. So today we actually both got gifts for each other. Did we kind of get it wrong, or was it just a nice thing?
I think it was just a nice thing.
It was a nice thing. So I got from Stephen Robin socks. They're so cozy. They're like properly fleece lined. And Stephen got from me, Hobbs has been lying on them. These. So we've got Christmas fluffy socks. Oh, I might want yours.
Oh, they're all warmed by Hobbs.
They're warmed by Hobbs.
Let's see if I can fit into them.
Yeah, you got to see if you can fit into them. I'm hoping not. Then I get too petty. Okay, but anyway, right, on with the cleaning and sterilising and all that stuff, and I think she's gone to sleep. Yeah, it's the monitor I'm looking at, by the way. Oh, there's a movement. She's pretty much asleep. Okay, not quite. Okay, we're all done. It's what, midnight? What time is it? Because we really wanted to decorate it before B woke up, and it looks so pretty. Hopsy, it's day one of your calendar. Good shake, good boy. Day one. There it is. I'm so pleased to get the old version back. It's so cute. It's by far the best. Ooh, what's in here? Oh, hello. Okay, sweetheart. Oh, I can never open them very quickly. Okay, are you ready? There you go, baby. Good boy. Oh. Alright, everybody, that is day one wrapped. We are definitely going to bed. Steve and I are so knackered. And we will see you the day two of Vlogmas.